How to delete Snapchat account permanently. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to of course open our Snapchat app right here. And then once we open that, what we want to do next is to click our profile icon on the top left corner of the screen. So click that. And then once you're now here, what we want to do next is to click the settings right here on the top right corner. Once you're now here, what we want to do is to just scroll down until you see this delete account. So just click delete account right here. And then of course, once you do that, all you have to do is to just put your username and then of course your password and then click continue. And then after that, I just continue again and confirm that you want to delete your account. And then once you do that, your account on Snapchat will now be permanently deleted in its server. So once again, that is how to delete Snapchat account permanently.